Welcome aboard Petroleum Air Services AW139 helicopter. The following briefing contains important information for your safety. Please pay close attention. Regulations require that passengers wear a life jacket during all flights over water. Put the life jacket on like a vest. Put the small metal clip into the large one, as shown to secure the waist strap. Pull the straps to tighten the waist strap firmly. Tuck any loose ends under the strap. Fasten the crotch strap into buckle. Secure any loose end by tucking away. Never inflate the life jacket inside the helicopter. The handle to inflate the life jacket is on the bottom left side. Pull downwards to inflate. To release pressure if desired, pull out the manual inflation tube and put the cap end on your finger into the top and push down. The life jacket may also be inflated or topped up by blowing into the tube. A whistle is provided if you need to attract attention. When in the water, you may attach yourself to others with the buddy line. To protect you from wind and water, you should release the spay hood and pull it over your head. Fasten the spray hood with the Velcro fasteners. You can also move the light to the top of the spray hood. Remain in the designated safe area until signaled to approach the helicopter by the HLO or ground staff. Avoid the danger areas at the front and rear of the helicopter. Always approach and depart in the safe area in view of the pilot and ground crew. Follow the directions of the crew and keep within the safe area. Keep any loose articles, such as hats or papers, securely in one hand. Never carry any objects above the height of your head. Please use the step when getting on or off the helicopter. Baggage and cargo can only be loaded and unloaded by ground staff or heli-deck crew. Hand baggage may not be carried into the cabin or stored under the seats. Seats must be filled in order of front, middle, then rear rows. Once seated, fasten your restraint harness by first pulling the shoulder straps over your shoulders. Connect the left strap tongue into the fastener. Then connect the right strap tongue into the fastener. Finally, connect the lap strap tongue. Pull the straps to tighten the waist strap firmly. Tighten the lap strap first, then tighten the shoulder straps. The strap release mechanism is a rotary dial. Rotate the dial in either direction to release the straps. Unfasten the harness only after the seatbelt sign is switched off. Ventilation and lighting controls can be adjusted for your requirements. One passenger in the forward left-hand seat must wear the headset provided to alert the crew of any concerns or relay any instructions from the crew to the other passengers. To get the attention of the pilot, push the green button marked Pilot. The green button will start flashing. When it becomes steady green, talk directly into the microphone. If the pilot wants to talk to you, you will hear a chime, and the green button will start flashing. Press the green button and answer directly into the microphone. If the aircraft needs to make an emergency landing, the pilot will tell you and shout out, "Brace, brace, brace." Ensure your harness is tight. Put your legs together with feet flat on the floor. Grasp your pant legs or your seat or your clothing and push back into the seat, keeping your neck straight. If the helicopter lands in the water, the emergency floats will inflate automatically, keeping it afloat and allowing for your escape. After the helicopter has landed, put one hand on your harness release dial and the other hand towards the nearest emergency exit. Emergency lighting may illuminate to help guide you to the exits. The aircraft may be exited from the sliding doors or the 6 cabin and 2 cockpit emergency window exits. The sliding doors are opened by pressing in the release button, then turning the handle upwards, pushing out on the door and sliding it to the rear. Remove the emergency exit window by pulling seal out using the red tab. Then give a hard push to remove the window. The aircraft has 2 life rafts, one stored in each sponson. The crew will normally deploy them from the cockpit. If possible, enter the life raft directly from the helicopter, inflating your life jacket when clear of the aircraft. Cut the rope if needed to separate yourself from the helicopter, although the weak point of the rope will break if the helicopter should sink. The life rafts can be also deployed from outside by opening the Velcro cover. Then pull the handle, keeping clear of the side. In event of a fire in the cabin, there are 2 fire extinguishers, one located below the middle row of seats and the other in the cockpit. PAS wishes you a pleasant and safe flight.